Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a what do I have in my watch roll for my next two trips. Actually, this month I have two trips planned ahead, one for a watch expo and one for work. And yeah, I thought I'd show you what I would be taking first for work. So I have two watch box, so two watches inside, one outside, as you can see. So I tried to keep it simple this time. One watch for gym activities, for swimming, for any outside of work activities that I might need a beater watch. This Militado with this rubber strap does its work great. It has screw down crown, 100 meters water resistance. It's quartz. And for my 3-4 day trip, I would take with me two watches that are mechanical. So that's my aim now, to try to take only two and two. I'll explain why I will take three in the next trip, not two. So I have here my Felipe Pikilliuk. This will be my basically morning watch in the conference I will be in. So I'll wear that with some suit. So I thought a black suit with this watch would look good. And it's handwind. And like I said, Felipe Pikilliuk, beautiful dial, really great work. And it does look good on my wrist as well. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist. And as you can see, it looks quite nice. Even with this rubber bead, it does grip quite well. Maybe I'll put a black strap on it, but I think the rubber bead just goes really well. And keeping the theme rubber for this trip, I thought the Fortis would be my, let's say, going out after work watch. Something light, something not light by weight, but light by color. So white dial with this blue strap. Looks quite good. Have a lot of brown clothes, so I think this one would match that theme. So I have an automatic, a manual wind, and a quartz watch. So this will be, I will wear it maybe on the flight, or maybe I will wear the Fortis on the flight and then put this inside. Yeah, that's the first trip. The second trip, I'm taking a little bit more watches because I'm visiting a watch expo for Microbrands. And I thought, what better way to visit the watch expo than, first off, one of my favorite watches from AddiesDive, sorry, this retro chronograph on Artem strap, or sailcloth strap. As you can see, it looks really nice. And that will be, believe it or not, my beater watch, because it's 100 meters water resistant. So if I go swimming, if I do some exercise, I might even wear this watch, because let's face it, from these other three watches that I thought I would take with me, that's the most water resistant and the most rugged of them all because of the quartz. Keeping the same theme, I thought two handwinds and automatic. Start with the automatic, with the M.A.D one. No need to say why. Basically at night, take this with me. Take with me the loom to fill it up at night. And then I'll be able to enjoy the watch while I'm traveling. So I thought this would be the perfect, like, going out watch. In the morning, while I'm in the watch expo, I'll wear my Lyrique Etudie #1 on my custom made strap here from pearl, how do you call them, stingray fish, pearled finish. So very shiny. I think it goes really well, especially with these blood wine red elements, so burgundy elements with the hands. And of course, the best feature of the watch, one of the best features of the watch, is the movement, of course, from Agenor. Excellent work. Really proud of this watch. And last but not least in my opinion as well. It's a custom made watch, and that's why I'm taking it also, because I'll be open to offers. Maybe I get a nice offer, but still I want to keep it in my collection, this custom made watch from Babasai and Hyun, my watchmaker from Germany, and the dial maker from Iran. He's an artist, has his own watch line and accessory line, and he made me this dial by hand, showed me all the process to it. Check out the video in my you could check out, just search for custom made watch in my video list and you'll find it. And yeah, really nice watch, hand wind. And maybe you noticed that I put it on a mismatching crocodile alligator leather strap. So you have on one part the sides and one part the stomach, so it does look like a mix and match alligator leather strap, which is what I'm going for. That it's a custom watch and you won't get another watch like it. Even though you have here the hand wind movement, really well made. Case, like I think the case was reused from a vintage watch, a vintage Flieger, also the crown, and Jan put the movement case, made the hands and put it on the dials with this ring around to fill it up. And I think he did a really nice job, and on my 17.1 centimeter wrist it does look quite good. So that's why I'm taking 3 watches. Maybe I'll come back with another watch from there, who knows. Maybe I'll take a new watch. I'm trying to buy a new watch for the past couple of days, still in negotiations, but still nothing came out of it. I'll update you of course with an unboxing if it happens, and if not, I'll be taking these 2 sets of watches to my next trip. I was thinking about taking a G-Shock, but every time I take a G-Shock with me, I tend to wear the G-Shock the most, so that's why I'm trying different watches this time. Let me know in the comment section what you think about my selection for my next 2 trips. Like I said, business and leisure trips. And if you're new to this channel, so subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And also like this video. And you'll find the subscription button here in the middle and 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.